Hi, Storm. Okay, well, just leave, why don't you, doofy dog? Oh.
Fucking figures. Massive cannon. Minor threat.
Hello, mine turtle. Ouch. Oh, hello.
Max armor.
I couldn't see what it was.
You see that, Peck? How about you get off your ass and give it a go?
I don't know. I just think I'm not good with Foggy. It's like hard for me to fucking aim. I don't know why.
It's just, I'm telling you, it's just head and to the right of the head.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's not a normal way to play like a crosshair based champion. That is projectile.
Yeah,
you know.
I can kind of feel. It's just I don't know. I just don't think he's. I'm good. I'm super good with Psylocke. Like that's the thing. But it's just because the way my crosshair is for her. It's.
Also, I think there's a character. Oh, Loki can stop Psylocke's ult. I didn't know that. If he throws down enough clones and like healing orbs, it like just stops working.
Do you know Iron Fist can block him? Like most alts.
Yeah, of course, because he's broken.
If you know how to play him, yeah. He's.
I don't even think you really know how to play him, dude. Like, seems like he has a parry or something like that. So it's like you just gotta parry abilities.
Jackpot. Right in the gob.
Kill the little fuckers.
Ouch. Alright, I got put in ad hell again.